Good morning, teachers. I want to take a second to go over the Family Engagement Plan assignment. You can find this document at the top of Moodle under Family Engagement Plan assignment. It starts off by just saying that teacher leader candidate will develop a classroom family engagement plan, and that I have provided some resources below covering the following areas: communication to and from parents, parents as partners in student learning, parent volunteers, the school as a resource for parents, parents as decision makers, and identifying community resources. And under the directions, the first item is the two resources that I've provided you around developing family engagement plans. But I encourage you to find additional resources to support the development of your plan. The second item addresses a series of questions that I ask you to reflect on prior to completing your current state of family engagement and your family engagement plan. You do not have to complete and submit these questions. So if I scroll down here, you will see you'll see family engagement reflection questions that will help you begin to think about your current state of practice and directions to move in as you develop a family engagement plan. So scrolling back up, the third item is to complete the current state of family engagement assessment for your own school by filling in this form, current state of family engagement. And it asks you to assess what your current practices are, for example, in relation to communicating to and from parents, and then what's working well and what data do you have to support your current plan as it relates to communicating with parents, and then finally to address what needs more work, and then what data do you have to support these identified needs. And so that is step 3. And then the final step 4 is to actually develop the family engagement plan. And it just says the teacher leader candidate should identify at least 5 ways family engagement might be included in your school, and that you should include references to course materials, key concepts, or other peer-reviewed information, including the examples that I've provided for you. You should have a reference page. The paper should be APA formatted, including the internal citations of the references and the reference page. So that is an overview of the family engagement plan. I have a date set aside later for where I'll be available for you. It's not required, but if you can meet with me, and I will discuss that more later. Again, you can find this assignment at the top of Moodle, along with an example paper from a student in this course. I also have put a discussion forum at the bottom of today's agenda for you to ask any questions that you have currently about this assignment.